Hello, Mosh, Bari here. Welcome to this video. I have a mouse and I know you have a mouse to operate your computer. How would that be if you made money for every clicks you make on your mouse? Would be great, right? And in this video, I will share a website that pays you for clicking with your mouse on them. Yeah, that's it. This website is 100% free. It has over 165,000 monthly visitors and they pay their users for clicking on them, viewing ads, playing games, etc. It's super exciting, super easy, and in a moment I will share how to register on this website, how to use this website step by step, but also I will share their business secret, how they are making a lot of money and why they are a reliable source of income stream. But also we will share how much money you can make from this website or this kind of website. And in case you are interested in so many other websites that pay you like this, then links in the description will show you my other videos that will help you make money in many different ways. Also, as usual, we will be sharing our premium software 100% free, so you can make a lot of money, literally $1,000 a day to $5,000 a day. Sky is the limit to where you can go with these systems. So let us begin. Did you like your video so far? We put a lot of effort on it to make sure you make money the easiest way possible. And for that, all you need to do is to hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will recognize you as the most important person to notify when we will upload our next video. And as usual, our next video will come with a unique and new method to make money online, and it will come with our premium software free for our viewers. So yes, go ahead. Okay, we are on ClixToYou.com. This is the landing page and it literally shows everything. It pays you in 3 different ways. It pays you as a publisher, so if you can send hits or clicks to your referral link, you'll get paid. Another way is to advertise and get benefited from their traffic. And finally, if you are just a member and you are here to make money, you can make from their offer walls by watching ads, by clicks, greed, referral system, and you can earn Bitcoin, Litecoin, Faucet Pay, Payer, Perfect Money, ARTM. Extremely easy to register on this website. Just click register on the top right corner, fill in the form using your full name, email address, and your password. Of course, you have to use your username, then check this I am not a robot CAPTCHA, then click this terms of service checkbox and click register. That's it. You are registered, but you need to activate. So go to your email and click the activation link to activate your account. Once you activate and log in, you will be able to make money on the internet using ClixToYou. This is your account summary. This is how a brand new account looks like. It will give you all the details of what you have earned, what you have done, your balance, your purchase balance, pending withdrawals, payment date, payment received, points, cash out points, direct referrals, rented referrals, and these are all the different ways you can make money using ClixToYou. Now let's make a lot of money from ClixToYou.com. So on the landing page, we can see they are attracting 3 types of people. Number 1, the referrers, the publishers. Number 2, the advertisers. And number 3, members like us who want to make money by clicking and viewing ads, etc. So let's talk about publisher. How can you make money as publisher? And in my opinion, this is one of the best ways to make money with this website. So the publishers get paid only by sending clicks to their referral links and nothing else. They don't need to get signups. They don't need to sell anything. That is super easy. You just need to send clicks. So if you can arrange or if you can manage clicks to your links, then game over. You can get paid 40 cents for each 999 hits. So let's go to their traffic analytics. We can see 69% traffic to clicks ClixToYou comes from referrals, and this is one of the top referral sites. How does it work? I have no idea, but I have checked their analytics and their traffic. They have over 233,000 monthly visitors. They must do something. Now, how can you generate clicks? The answer is YouTube, but don't worry if you are allergic to making videos in front of the camera, because link in the description will give you my software that writes the script for you, that imports media files from anywhere on the web, and it even gives voiceover for you. It allows you to make videos in short clips, and then it combines all the clips and turns them into a large video with just one push of a button, and then another push of a button you can upload it to YouTube. Super simple. So link in the description. The software is completely free. Go get it and use it. So why am I talking about videos and YouTube? Because we generate a lot of traffic, leads and sales from YouTube and from our videos. So for that, the steps are this. In order to generate clicks, go to Google News and look at the most trending news. Now let me choose something randomly. At the moment, Omicron variant is a hot topic. It's really tragic what's going on with this Omicron variant, and you can actually help people by creating awareness or information based videos on Omicron. Now, what could be your video topic? First, go to YouTube and search with Omicron. That's your main topic. So this is Omicron, and then hit a space bar. See, there are lots of options. You see, these are the options that are hot on YouTube right now. So I will go for Omicron variant news or Omicron variant symptoms. Then let's say I choose Omicron variant, and I can see the top channels are the news channels, so they are very hard to beat. So I will click again at the end of the search phrase and then hit another space, and you will see even more options. So now Omicron variant news, Omicron variant symptom, or even Omicron variant update. This could be awesome. Again, yes, of course, generating traffic is your goal, but you are helping people with your information, so that is a great news. Now look at this. The first video got 156 views in one day. Another got 16,000 views in one day. Another got 1 million views in 3 weeks. Another got 115,000 views in one day. Now that is not actually the best part. Here is the best part. Look, you might be thinking, okay, my video will not go on top because your channel is a new channel. Look here, people also watched. This is something that is the help from YouTube. YouTube will push random videos, the new videos, to the audience, and immediately you will get viewers from YouTube. And if your video has good content and people watch your video for a long time, then YouTube will like your video and they will push your video to more and more audience. So more and more people will view your videos. That's how it works. So the more and more videos you create using the easy software, link in the description. It's 100% free, by the way. It's my software. The more views you will generate, and soon your channel will go viral and you will get millions of views. Now again, because you are actually making money just from generating clicks, you don't have to care about they are selling or not, they are buying or not, they are targeted traffic or not. Your job is to generate clicks as a referral. So that's the first way to make money. The second way to make money is advertisers benefit list. So you basically advertise your offer with them, and their users like us, when we will go through those ads, click on those ads, watch those ads, maybe we will like those ads, their offers, and we will sign up based on that. This is one of the reasons people advertise on this kind of website. Another reason to advertise is sometimes people want to test with traffic whether their website is working or not, whether their website is loading properly to the traffic or not, and how the general traffic is behaving when they land on their website. So for these many different kinds of testing, people run advertisements on these websites. Another reason people run this website, another reason people run ads on these websites is this: they sell traffic or clicks on websites like Fiverr or other websites and sell those clicks for a higher price. So let's say they sell 100 clicks for $10 on Fiverr, and they buy those 100 clicks from ClixToYou advertising system. So this is another way to make money. But in any case, I always recommend you become the advertiser. So for that, you have to make money, save some money, and and set some money aside to test your offers, your websites with advertising, because advertising equals freedom. But anyways, this is not the most important thing right now. The most important thing here is there are 3 different ways you can make money from this website, and they are these 3. And finally, how to make money using members. We already talked about it. Yeah, that is it. Now let me show you one more thing. What did you do when you first landed on this website, or you wanted to use this website for something? The first thing you had to do is to register using your name and email address. Why? Because the moment they get your email address, they can build a relationship with you by sending emails. Whenever they have a new opportunity, a new offer that you can use to make money as a member, they will send you an email. So money is in the list. When you have people joining your email list, you can build relationship with them, you can build your authority, and you can literally give them any offer. If it is good for them, they will take it. You can even sell and make money. So building list of subscribers is the most important thing when it comes to making money online. Look at Facebook. What do they want when you land on them? They want you to register using your email or your phone number. What do other websites like Tumblr, Instagram, TikTok? Everybody wants your phone number. Everybody wants your email address. Why? Because they want to be able to communicate with you. And that is why you should have a subscription system in your website or into your business. How do you do that? You might find this system boring. But the easiest way is to use my software, link in the description. This software turns any PDF report or ebook or just a PDF document into your opt-in page. This PDF becomes your lead magnet when people sign up to your mailing list. And this PDF generates referral, viral traffic completely automatically, so you don't have to generate extra traffic for this. So this is super awesome, and the software is 100% free. Go get it from the link below. What's stopping you? Did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. The next video will come with another new way to make money online, and as usual, we will be giving away our premium softwares free. Links will be in the description as well, and of course there are other videos that we have made so you can make money using internet. Links are in the description. Go watch them. So I will see you in the next video.